Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will see how to create new account in Mobile Legends or sign up Munton in Mobile Legends. So let's begin. Open the Mobile Legends app and tap on your profile
May
or
the
your picture
stars
which is on the left top corner. Now click on the account section which is on the bottom, and then you have to click on the tap to connect option which is right beside the Munton account section. Once you do that, you will be asked for your email address, password, and so on. Just fill the details and click on the submit button. Now, a verification code or mail will be sent to your email address that you have recently entered on the section, and once you go through the verification mail, your new Mobile Legend account will be created. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good time.